Hunter chillin', no matter where Hunter to be. Get ready for make this your journey. Or come to this your line where Hunter chillin' early about that 150 years. Hunter yeti this your thing say. We free for sure. Come to the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival 2013. Emancipation in the Gullah Geechee Nation. August 2nd through the 4th. Upon historic St. Helena Island, South Kakalaki and Hutton Island, South Kakalaki. Yeah, right here in Beaufort County. Hunter chillin' have to join me for this your weekend with the Gullah Geechee reunion going on right here. So bring out the family so that Hunter can get it more for who we be in these islands on the sea. For more about this year, go on to www.gullahgeechee.info, www.gullahgeechee.info, or give you one call at 843-838-1171. 843-838-1171. Yeah, that drum call just begun. But Hunter chillin', it will heat up even more when Hunter get you to St. Helena Island and get it all of what we have in store. A special tribute to Motown Funk brother James Jameson and plenty of Gullah Geechee food for Nam Pun, the Gullah Geechee Garden After Party, and get it even this year, yeah, soul power. So hour after hour, Hunter have to bring that drum and come join we in this your place where the sun gonna be, and you know where we be black gold and north Gullah Geechee. Join we for sure, cause it gonna be a time.